Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another tutorial video today, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make your Bandai Namco account. So Bandai Namco is a really wonderful online platform for gaming or to switch into your favorite merchandises. It has a lot of facilities, so if you want to create an account on this, I am going to show you how you can do this. So for this, first of all, head over to our web browser and then go to bandainamcoent.com. As you go to that interface, you will see a page like this where you can see that on the upper right hand side there's a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon, and as you tap on the profile icon, you will now be asked to log into your account. But since you're visiting this particular website for the first time, you have to create your account. So tap on create your account. And now you'll have to give in some of your credentials in order to create your account. So the first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to enter your gender and then your username. So here I'm just going to select a particular username. After selecting the username, your country has to get selected, and then you also have to enter your email. So I'm just going to also enter my email over here. Make sure that you enter the correct email because that's very important for you. And then also your birthday. So here I'm just going to select the birthday. Select the day of your birth and then select the month of your birth. After selecting the month of your birth, you also have to select the year of your birth. So start selecting the year of your birth and then set up a particular password. So here are certain things that you need to remember before selecting a password. So here I'm just going to select a particular password for my account and then repeat the password again. So here I'm also going to repeat the password now. And after doing this, check if you'd like to receive emails or not. Agree to the terms and conditions. Tap on I am not a robot. And after doing this, tap on save personal information. After doing that, you'll now get directed towards a page that will look like this, where you can see that on the upper right hand side, you'll be able to see your own profile icon now. So this is basically how you can make your Bandai Namco account. I hope that this video has aided you in the process. If it did, do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Also do share and subscribe to App Guide. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you around next time.